Welcome, King Goy back again, and it is the final part in the three-part series for making the RSO. And it took a lot quicker than I thought it would. I mean, it wasn't incredibly quick. I would say a good couple hours, maybe 3 or 4, but I thought it would be a lot longer. But turns out the slow cooker works out quite well. I'm just a bit concerned as to how I'm going to get this off. Yeah, it's going to be quite sticky by the looks of it. I've got a, whatever you call this, a spatula. Yeah, that will work. As long as I keep it at the right temperature, I think, and it's still warm, it should be, malleable. But I mean, look at that. That's all medicine. But yeah, as you can see, it's on the spoon now, so it's like, you got to kind of... I think for the most part, I'll try and just pull up what I can with the syringe. Yeah, it's quite a big syringe. And as you can see, about 95% of the stuff boiled off. We were about there somewhere halfway through. And majority of it is gone. We've only got a tiny little puddle, and I still think for the most part that's ethanol, you should be able to see, but it's no longer ethanol. But I don't want to get it, I don't want to let it go too much, otherwise it's going to be just sticky stuff. Oh, but it smells so nice. I mean, that's the sticky side, and look, it's actually, yeah, it's not manageable. Yeah, it's good. As long as this thing's warm, I suppose it'll just stay doing its thing. Ooh. Yo, it smells so minty and it smells like camphor. It's quite nice. So you can tell we just left with, it's getting more and more plant-like. I'm smelling less of that ethanol. And you can start to see these little bubbles forming. That's usually a good sign that our mixture is almost ready. I think I want to see a little bit more bubbles all over, and I'll know, cool, we there. I suppose another good thing about this water cooker, while using the water as a cooking method, is I don't have to worry about like burning this or overdoing it, because it only goes to a certain temperature. So of course you can, my baby. But if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.